Hello my friends, and welcome to another Willmore's World. The last one I did a review on my mitre saw, and what I found was really good, and it's quite interesting what you can find your saw can do with the right blade. Now I got metal, wood, plastic, aluminium, copper, and it did really well. Now, when Evolution asked me to do that, they asked me to review another thing. Now, that other thing is here, and I'll show you. It is a box, and within the box it's a mitre saw stand. Now, they sent me this to do a review on, and kindly said that I could keep it. So I'm going to give an honest review. As you can see, the box is completely sealed. It's all packaged very well, and instructions, warranty. So So, from what I can see, it's actually not going to be that complicated to put together. So, got two bits there, bag of bits, some bolts, so spanner. So we've got push buttons that release and then lock in place. So if you look at the overall design, it's quite compact. So it's not going to take up much space in your boot or in your shop. I could have done with this a while ago, but I didn't have one at the time, so it would actually come in handy. It's actually quite lightweight, so let's put the legs up. It's actually quite easy to actually assemble. One there, one here, because you've got these straps that go in and out. So these go on here with a lock and screw. And that goes in here. They're actually fully adjustable, so you can put it at any height you want. you simply need to adjust them. And then they lock in place. So, as you can see, you've got an adjustment screw here, and then this bit locks. We've got an assortment of screws for the mitre saw. So that's it all put together. As you see, the mitre stand is really actually quite easy to use. It's very easy to put up, it's easy to put together, it's easy to put your saw on top of it, and it's quite flexible on what fittings there are as well, because you've got a very wide gap and you could actually put any saw on this stand. Doesn't matter what brand it is. So I'd like to say thank you for giving me the chance of reviewing this, and it was very simple. So it's relatively good priced, and it goes well with that, with the mitre saw. Also, it's very portable. So it's lightweight, portable, easy to use. Once it's together, it's a no-brainer. You take it out, you put it up, put your saw on it, and you've got a workstation. So I'm quite happy with this, and I'm going to get some use of this if I go out of the shop. So again, thank you for the opportunity to try this evolution, and I hope to see some more evolution stuff around here in the future, because I think I need a new table saw. Yeah, I could shoot the video. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down. Leave a comment on how you think it went on either review, and I'll see you again soon for the next project. So thanks for watching. Bye.